As the world of automobiles shifts rapidly toward electric and autonomous technologies, classic cars remain a symbol of heritage, craftsmanship, and driving pleasure. In 2025, interest in classic cars continues to grow, not just among collectors, but also among younger generations who value the nostalgia and mechanical purity these vehicles offer. Whether for investment, weekend cruising, or show events, certain classic car models stand out in 2025 as top choices for enthusiasts. This explores some of the best classic cars to own, appreciate, and enjoy in the current era. 1. 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback. The Ford Mustang remains a cornerstone of American automotive culture. Among its many variants, the 1965 Fastback model is especially desirable due to its sleek design, growling V8 engine, and historic status as one of the original pony cars. In 2025, it continues to be a top pick for classic car lovers thanks to its abundance of spare parts, solid value appreciation, and timeless appeal. 2. 1989 Porsche 911. The Porsche 911 is one of the most respected sports cars of all time, and the 964 generation 1989 to 1994 is increasingly popular among collectors. It represents a bridge between classic air-cooled charm and modern driving dynamics. With its distinctive silhouette, solid build quality, and rising values, the 964 is an ideal classic car for 2025, especially as Porsche's newer models become more digitized and less raw. 3. 1990 Mazda MX-5 Miata. The original Miata has achieved cult status for its lightweight design, simple mechanics, and pure driving joy. In 2025, the NA Miata is both affordable and accessible, making it a favorite among younger enthusiasts entering the classic car scene. Its pop-up headlights and go-kart handling make it endlessly charming, while its Japanese reliability keeps ownership costs low. 4. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454. For fans of American muscle, the 1970 Chevelle SS 454 is an icon. Its aggressive stance and powerful big-block engine make it a beast on the road and a centerpiece at any car show. In 2025, muscle car values remain strong, and the Chevelle's combination of power and style ensures its place among the top classic cars. 5. 1973 BMW 2002T. A symbol of German engineering and performance, the BMW 2002T is a true driver's car. Its fuel-injected engine and nimble chassis made it a standout in its day and continue to win hearts today. The 2002T has become a top pick for enthusiasts who want a classic that's both engaging to drive and easy to maintain. 6. 1987 Ferrari Testarossa. As a poster car of the 1980s, the Testarossa epitomizes exotic luxury and flamboyant design. With its wide body, side strakes, and flat 12 engine, it turns heads wherever it goes. In 2025, its desirability continues to rise, especially as analog supercars become increasingly rare in a digital age. Why these classics matter today? In a world where cars are becoming more automated and electrified, classic cars represent something irreplaceable: the connection between driver and machine. They remind us of an era when design, sound, and mechanical feedback were at the heart of the driving experience. Whether for investment, enjoyment, or preservation, owning a classic car in 2025 is not just about the past, it's about keeping automotive history alive for the future.